I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to D Animation. I am Darshan Patel and today I will give totally review of this laptop and I will give my opinion to creators and gamers should this laptop buy or not, and I am giving 1 month of experience review in today's video. So keep watching, and if you guys are new on the channel, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and share the channel to your family and friends. So let's come to this bag. This backpack quality is absolutely amazing. It's a good quality. Keep this backpack inside and let's move on. Power adapter. It comes with 200 watt power adapter and the battery is 70.9 and it comes with 6 cell, which is amazing for this laptop. Let's keep this power adapter inside. Now come to the laptop. Omin logo and font is looking decent and attractive, and the body build quality is also amazing. It's look premium quality. And let's move on ports. On the left hand side you guys can see first is power connector, second is RJ45 network jack, third is USB port, fourth is HDMI port, and fifth is combo jack. Combo jack means in this laptop you guys get two mics, two inbuilt mics of Intel, which is amazing for this laptop. And the last is card reader, which is most helpful for content creators. On the right hand side you guys can see first is USB type C, which helps HP sleeps and charge. After that, dual mode display port. Dual mode display port means you can connect second display by this laptop, which is amazing for the gamers. After that, you guys can see vent. From the vent, heat air comes out, which is most important part of the laptop, and that is good. And you guys can see the from the bottom there are two ventilators fans, and its distance is also much big, which is amazing for this laptop. And after that, two USB ports. Now let's come to the processor. Processor is Intel i7 10th generation and it comes with 16 GB RAM. You can expand it till 32 GB, which is good. And the GPU is 6 GB. It comes with RTX 3060, which is amazing for this laptop. Now let's come to the display. The display size is 15.6 inch and it comes with 300 nits and 144 Hz refresh rate, which is absolutely good of this laptop. 144 Hz refresh rate means you can do gaming in a high resolution and smoothly. 300 nits means brightness, which is amazing for this laptop. And it comes with Wi-Fi 6 and the speaker grill is also big and the key is responding smooth, and it comes with sRGB and the mouse pad is also in average size, which is amazing. And the palm rest is also good. There are two issues in this laptop. First is when I am rendering my video, it comes little bit sound from the fan, which is minor problem. But the second issue is, this is the major issue of this laptop. It comes with 512 GB SSD, which is not enough for content creators and gamers. Content creators and gamers should want 1 TB or 1 TB plus SSD. So if you guys have big budget, so you guys can go up variant of this laptop. In that you can get 1 TB SSD or 1 TB HDD. We can adjust our fan speed from HP Omin Gaming Hub. Let's open this Gaming Hub. Yes, this is our Gaming Hub of HP Omin. We will go on Omin 15. You guys can see this is our GPU utilization, CPU utilization, and this is our memory utilization. You can see download speed and upload speed, and we can customize our lights from lighting. Open Omin Light Studio. We can customize from here. You guys can see ये जो हमारी जो बॉर्डर लाइन है वो यहाँ ले जाने पर इतना एरिया हमारा अभी लाइट नहीं होगा. इतने एरिया में हम अपने हिसाब से कस्टमाइज़ कर सकते हैं. यहाँ से कुछ इफ़ेक्ट्स दी गई है, उसमें से भी आप कोई भी सेट कर सकते हो। एंड नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन परफॉर्मेंस कंट्रोल। परफॉर्मेंस कंट्रोल में सिस्टम फैन स्पीड आपको मिल जाएगी, जहाँ से आप अपने हिसाब से फ़ैन को कस्टमाइज़ कर सकते हो, फ़ैन की स्पीड को कस्टमाइज़ कर सकते हो। अभी 3000 RPM पे चल रहा है फ़ैन स्पीड। यहाँ से हाई और लो अपने हिसाब से कर सकते हैं, मैं अभी नहीं करूँगा, मेरे हिसाब से मेरा सही है। द लैपटॉप प्राइस इज़ 1,35,000। I give the discount code in description that you can apply and you will get 5,000 off. So see you guys tomorrow in next video. Till then, bye, stay safe.